यं यथा गच्छति सागरं सर्वदेवं नमस्कारं केशवं प्रतिगच्छति। आस आस बोली पातकी मानंकु, आस आस बोली पातकी मानंकु, डाकु अछि पर संगात ना, नेत ध्वजा बर उड़ी फर फर, नेत ध्वजा बर उड़ी फर फर, उड़ाई देउछि भव जातना, उड़ाई देउछि भव जातना। नील चक्रे हो, नील चक्रे हो, देख उड़ुछि बाना, पतित पावन नाटी जारना। ओम आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसंपदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामचंद्राय रामभद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पते नमः। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानंदं कृष्ण वंदे जगद्गुरुं। Now the pulling of the chariots has started and the chariot of Lord Jagannath is lagging behind. It is still, what I see now, it is still near Adab Mandap, Gundizagar. But in course of time, Taladhwaja and Devadalana or Darpadalana, they are far ahead. Ma Subhadrika is far ahead and it's a bit raining, drizzling. Though not a very heavy rain, but it's still drizzling. So now the chariots are being pulled and lagging. Nandighosh is lagging far behind. Lekin, but Ma Subhadrika and Taladhwaja, Devadalan, Darpadalan, they are quite ahead of Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath comes on the last. So see, his Ratha is still waiting for pulling, and I see it is near the Gundicha Mandir, Adab Mandap. Lord Badabhatra Ratha Taladhwaja and Devadalan or Darpadalan, they are quite ahead, and there is much interest with the devotees, with the mass, to carry on the chariot, and there is almost a competition to pull the chariot by competition basis also. So victory to him who pulls the chariot well. So I it's a though not raining much, not in black and blue. It's sometimes a very thin rain. I mean not cats and dogs. So people are now using umbrellas as you find on the screen. They're using their own umbrellas because it is raining to safeguard their body and mind. Now, you see now, this is the picture. The picture that near Adab Mandap, Sardabali, still the Nandighosh, the chariot of the Lord, is lagging behind and it doesn't have a start now. But on the other hand, Ma Subhadrika and Taladhwaja, they are quite ahead. People are pulling there. as my friend was telling you, in Baripada, I mean, there the Ratha of Subhadrika is pulled by the women folk. They pull the Ratha of Ma Subhadra. So, it's a Niyara Parampara in our Odia words. So it's a new, that was a long drawn tradition there. So here everybody is at his own will, own liberty to carry the chariot, to pull the chariot. But you'll find it's now Mausima Mandir, where Podo Pita in our Odia terms. In English, that's a cake. So, Podo Pita, our Odia product, made in Odisha. So, it's a very beautiful, very tasty breakfast. I mean, the tiffin. So, when Prabhu will come, the Lord will come here to his Mausma Mandir. You people, Mitro, I will ask you a question. If the Lord has his Mausma Mandir, if Lord has Mausima Mandir, then why not his Mamu in Odia Mamu Ghar, uncle's house? So his uncle's house, the uncle is Madhav, nearly. So he is called Nearly Madhav. So uncle's house is Nearly Madhav. You may say that it's a legend or it's a people call it. No. King Badanti in Sanskrit. This means king what? Badanti, what they say. This is a legend. But from a very long tradition, you'll find that the gifts, the fruits, as a matter of gift, they bring to Lord Jagannath while he is in a diseased condition. Jatha dehi tatha dehi. This is ये केवल जगन्नाथ के लिए है. You'll find nowhere. He falls disease. He again shows his Navjavan darshan. So it's equally as a man, the humanity. मतलब इंसान का जो होता है. So this is as a man he suffers. He goes to his Mausima Mandir. Now when he was in the he was fever, oil was anointed, smeared on his body to get rid of the cold, and he took bath, the divine bath, like the people, and on his birthday. So it is just like, and you know when December will come, Bhodolagi, that means he will give him shawl or kambal to cover his body from the cold. And when season of winter will go, Olagi, Mandir language. The diction is from the, I am quoting it from Mandir. So there will be no shawl and kambal. So it is almost like a life process. It is with the Lord. And we get pleasure in it. And he is the heroic nature. And I have also seen, I am telling from my experience, Jagannath is so great. Hari Ananta, Hari Katha Ananta. I am a simple man. What can I describe? I have seen many of the times when there will be low pressure, when there will be a tempest, when there will be a storm, there will be whirlwind. People go to Lord, offer Dipadan and pray him. And I have seen all the time Chakravarth Chakraj, Sudarshan works and the storm goes elsewhere. All the time the protector of Odisha, Hari Bola, all the time he has saved Odisha. Thanks to the Lord. He is our Father. What thanks we can give? What thank we will give him? He is our Father. He is our Father. What thank we can give him? वो पालनहार विष्णु है. He is the administrator. And chief aim and act of him is to administer things. So, he is the Vishnu. He is Mahavishnu. He is the Ananta Sayana Vishnu. Near, you see the sea is there, 1 kilometer away. But in the temple, we can never listen to the sound of the sea. Samandar, the sea, is his father-in-law. Varun Kanya, Ma Santani, Ma Gosamani, Ma Lakshmi Thakurani, Ma Narayani, Ma Vishnu Patarani, Ma Lakshmi, Ma Padidakti, who was quite angry of being separated from his husband, from her lover. And she was so angry, remaining alone, the pangs of separation from the beloved. She went, perhaps in stick in hand, and broke away. Nandi Ghosh, the mother goddess, Namastastu Mahamaye, Sripithe Surapujite, Sankachakra Gadaste, Mahalakshmi Namastute, Namaste Garudadudhe, Kulasura Bhayankari, Sarva Papa Hare Devi, Mahalakshmi Namastute, Svetambara Dhara Devi, Nana Lankar Bhushite, Jagastite Jagatmata, Mahalakshmi Namastute. Namaste Garudadudhe, Kulasura Bhayankari, Mahapapa Hare Devi, Mahalakshmi Namastute. So, Ma Lakshmi Thakurani, Ma Santani, Ma Gosamani, Janti Mangalakali, Bhadrakali Kapalini, Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri, Swaswada Namastute. Janti Mangalakali, Bhadrakali Kapalini, Durga Kshama Shiva Dhatri, Swaswada Namastute. So, the mother force, sometimes before my friend was telling, if there will be no mother force, Vishnu cannot come to that as an incarnation. He takes the help of the mother force. It has been told by हमारा जो परमहंस जी हम हमारा उड़ीसा का फ्रॉम उड़ीसा Paramahansa Dev has told it, and Sri Mother has also told it, because in Gita it is written Mama Maya Duratya. So Vishnu Maya, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Vishnu Mayeti Sabdita, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Vishnu Mayeti Sabdita, Namastassai, 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 Namo Namaha, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Chetanitya Bhidiyate, Namastassai, 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 Namo Namaha, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Matrurupena Sanstita, Namastassai, 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 Namo Namaha, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Shakti Rupena Sanstita, Namastassai, 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 Namo Namaha, I was quoting you from Saptahati Chandi. So this is the force. Without force, Shiva is Sabha. Lord Shiva is Sabha, is a corpse. So as he is added to Shakti, he has become Shiva. I don't say it. I am a little man. I am a very simple man. I don't have power to tell this. So Adi Shankar has told it in his Stotra. That Ma Shakti, without you, Shiva is Sabha. So, Shakti, you cannot neglect the force. So, Ma Subhadrika is the Shakti. Said Sita, said Vishnu Maya, said Bhuvaneshwari, Balabhadra Ugratara, Subhadra Bhuvaneshwari, Nilachale Jagannatha, Sakshat Dakshina Kalika. The three names I have taught, the sacred names, those are from Dasamahavidya.